Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of my new Samsung Galaxy Watch Active2. I've been wanting to buy a smartwatch for some time now, and I was actually looking at buying either the Apple Watch Series 3 or this Watch Active2. I asked a lot of people, I even asked on my alexlovesmac Instagram, and many of you recommended the Apple Watch. Naturally, since I'm an iPhone user, I should go for the Apple Watch as well, but I decided to go for this because I prefer the design of this watch, I prefer the UI of this watch, and there is also one feature that this watch has and the Apple Watch doesn't, and that is this watch shows the step count on the watch face itself, and to get that on the Apple Watch you have to sort of like download a third-party app and change the, I think you call it, the complications on the watch face itself. But yeah, before we go to the unboxing, let's take a look around the box. Okay, so on the front of the box is a picture of the watch itself, Active2, 44mm, if you can see that. Let me just zoom in a little bit more. There you go, 44mm. I did get the stainless steel gold version with sort of like saddle brown straps. The straps are in leather. Nothing on the right. On the left, Samsung Galaxy Watch Active2. On the back of the box, some specs regarding the watch itself. On the bottom, barcode, serial number, distributor name, and nothing on top as well, except the two seals that I have to cut to open up the box. I have a penknife right here. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that the seal has been cut open, let's pull out the box. Put this aside. Right here, we have the watch itself. Some instructions, more barcode serial number thing. Here we have the watch. Let's put this aside and get back to this in a minute. Right here is the strap. Okay. Nice looking straps, I must say. And further inside, this should be the charging dock together with the USB cable. Yes, it is. It is magnetic, you can see it. Okay. And right here, we have the warranty card and some more, warranty card, quick start guide in a couple of languages, and that's about it. Alright, so let's take the watch out of this nice feeling material, and there you go. It does feel quite nice on my hand. Let's turn it on. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active2. Samsung. Let's go. So swipe up, Galaxy Watch Active2, get started in the Galaxy wearable app on your phone. Okay, so put that aside and bring up my iPhone right here. Since this is an iPhone, it doesn't have the Galaxy wearable app. Face ID does take it's a bit of a hit and miss, I would say. Since I don't have a Galaxy phone to have the Galaxy wearable app, I have the Galaxy Watch app instead. So start the journey. I'm gonna pick my watch, which is the Watch Active 2. Connect to Galaxy Watch. Okay, connect. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Okay. Okay, while you're pairing, okay, that should be fine. How to use home screen. Okay, next, keys is telling me the top one is the back key and the bottom one is the home key. Okay, telling me how to get the best heart rate results. Okay, notifications, I will set this up later, and done. Okay, so that should be it. Congrats on your new Galaxy Watch Active 2. Agree, allow. Okay, that was the calendar, now it's the contacts. Okay, get more with your Samsung account. I will sign in later. I do have one, just that I'll sign in later. And I'm all set. Make and receive calls on your watch. Okay, and that's about it. Now let's put the iPhone aside and take a look at what's on the watch itself. Take a look around, swipe left to see your widgets. Daily activity, swipe right to go back to the watch face. Okay, for notifications, swipe right. Okay, press the back key to go back. Press the home key to find my apps. Swipe left to view more apps. Almost done. Open the quick panel by swiping down. Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. Oh. Okay. That's it. You're good to go. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing and first boot up video of my new Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Thanks for watching and goodbye.